Greetings and welcome to the theDVObserver. This week, there has been a developing topic about the diversity visa's passport requirement, as well as an update on the Rai, Go, Goodluck, and Gomez case, which Krishna will explain in detail.
Before we go into the diversity lottery program, let's talk about the passport requirement. The case is EBVS, U.S. Department of State, DDC, 119 CV02856, the 2nd of April 22. A federal judge has struck down a rule requiring diversity visa applicants to obtain passports before they could enter an annual lottery for the U.S. entry papers. The State Department enacted the requirement in 2019 as an interim final rule, meaning it took effect upon publication and without public opportunity for comment. In a February 4th ruling, Washington U.S. District Judge Timothy J. Kelly found the regulations were enacted unlawfully because they skipped the public comment period required by the Administrative Procedure Act, a federal law that tripped up other Trump administration rulemaking efforts. Kelly, who was a nominee of President Donald Trump, previously denied the plaintiffs' request for injunctive relief because they hadn't shown the rule would cause them irreparable harm. The State Department said in a statement that the agency will adjust its operations, consistent with the order. Nevertheless, the passport rule increased the chances of genuine appointments by cutting down on duplicate or multiple entries. In another developing story, diversity visa orders were challenged by Biden administration. To process over 10,000 diversity visas are being appealed by the federal government. The diversity visas have been on hold because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Winners from the 2020 and 2021 diversity visa lotteries brought various legal actions to protect the processing of their visas from expiration. 2 DC judges found in favor of the diversity visa winners. The federal government is appealing the court's decision that enacted diversity visa orders processing by the end of September 2022. In their appeal, the government states they believe the appeals court will likely overturn the orders. As such, the requirement for the process should be put on hold, pending the circuit court findings. The government claims that allowing the lower court findings to proceed limits their ability to manage their resources as they face an unprecedented backlog of immigration visa filings. To meet the September 2022 date, the U.S. Department of State would need to reassign resources from normal processes. As such, other individuals in the immigration filing system will be harmed. Judges found that the State Department could not freeze visa applications while travel bans were active. The judges went further to hold thousands of green cards in reserve. Those green cards were released after final judgments in September and October of 2021. The Biden administration argues that the Immigration and Nationality Act, INA, requires the consular office to reject visa applications from individuals who are included in COVID bans. As a result, the denial is following the law. Further, they state that allowing the diversity visas to remain available after their stated expiration date is not in compliance with the law. Diversity visa winners must complete processing within the year it is won. The government has filed a statement of issues in the Goodluck vs. Biden case, DV 2021, and the appeal is about 5 issues. The details link can be found in the description area below. The government's plea for an expedited determination on their motion for stay was denied by Gomez and Go Judge Amit P. Mehta in recent development. This does not rule out the possibility of a stay. However, the request for expedited review of the case was denied. He is simply stating that the government has no say when a decision is made. In the Rai vs. Biden case, Judge Shutkan makes an order establishing a briefing schedule for the government's petition to stay, as well as a hearing date of February 24, 2022, at noon EST. In recent updates, a few embassies have started to accept the 2NL. Let's keep our spirits up.
Please leave any questions or comments in the section below, and don't forget to check out our other videos. For quick diversity visa updates, follow the theDVObserver on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching this video till the end.